Microservices became a popular architectural style to build complex business systems. There are lots of microservices frameworks out there, but most of them fall into two big categories. One of them is language-specific microservices, like Spring Boot or GoKit. And another group of microservices are platform-specific, like Azure Service Fabric or AWS Lambda. I would like to present you Pip.Services Toolkit, one of a very few technologies that allows you to build microservices in different languages and deploy them on different platforms. It is designed from ground up to be cross-language and cross-platform. And it is called Toolkit for a reason. It is non-opinionated and can be used with existing code bases and mixed up with other technologies. In 2021, it is implemented in 6 programming languages: .NET, Node.js, Java, Golang, Python, and Dart. And all the microservices implemented with the toolkit are interoperable out of the box, and their code structure is symmetric. That allows developers to easily transfer their skills and switch to a new programming language in no time. It brings over 30 implementation patterns that makes the code more concise, robust, and consistent. It has a large number of pre-built components that speed up microservice development even more. One of the neat features of Pip.Services Toolkit is support for componentized microservice design. It makes it incredibly easy to implement microservices from loosely coupled components, and that allows to adopt new technologies without touching existing code, or deploy microservices on different platforms by turning on and off microservices to match selected configuration at the deployment time. It is designed to make it easy to augment existing code bases and plays nice with other technologies. By implementing a few simple interfaces, developers can turn any piece of code into a component that can be integrated with other custom components or components provided by the toolkit. And then the inversion of control container takes those components and assembles a microservice using a configuration that can be changed during the deployment time. The same microservice component can be wrapped in different containers and deployed in a variety of platforms. And the toolkit brings necessary tools to make microservices more manageable, reliable, scalable, and able to handle heavy production loads. We often asked how Pip.Services Toolkit is different from other popular frameworks, like Spring Boot, for instance. Well, comparing to Spring Boot, Pip.Services have the similar approach to componentized design, container, and a large set of pre-built components, but it's designed from ground up to be cross-language. Comparing to Dapper, another cross-language framework, it doesn't use sidecars, it doesn't bring additional moving parts that makes implementation more complex and impact real-time performance. And it doesn't tie you to Docker as the only deployment platform. If you're interested to learn more about Pip.Services Toolkit, visit our website at www.pipservices.org and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.